Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of Tapas and we click here in this page. In this page of app, on file we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.